Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to play this common worship song El Shaddai. So I'll be doing it in the key of C. So first of all, I'll play a very basic way of playing the song. Then later I'll add some things to spice it up. Okay, so a basic way of playing the song is very simple. In the key of C. El Shaddai, El Shaddai, Elohim and Adonai. Age to age, you're still the same. By the power of your name, El Shaddai, El Shaddai, Elohim and Adonai. We will praise and lift you high, El Shaddai. Now, I was even adding some things I'm not supposed to add. So let me just tell you what I was doing. A simple way of playing it in key of C. El Shaddai, that's the 4. El Shaddai, that's the 5. Elohim, the 1. And Adonai, you stay here. Age to age, the 4, you're still the same. The 5, by the power of your name. See, I'm adding the second to it, as the 6th, the 9 to it. So it repeats. El Shaddai, El Shaddai, Ekamkana Adonai. We will praise and lift you high, El Shaddai. So I'm just using these 3 chords: the 1, the 4, the 5, the 4, and the 1. Simple. Now let's spice it up. Let's add the D minor chord, and A minor chord to it. So what do we do? Now, instead of playing El Shaddai, this is the 4. Now we are going to change this 4. We are going to use D minor chord now in place of this 4. So we'll have something like this. El Shaddai. You see how it changes the tone, the melody, and the harmony of the song. So El Shaddai, El Shaddai. Then we'll go to our 5. Now this 5, we are going to go to the 1, then A minor chord. So we have something like this. From the 1, we went to the D minor chord, the 5, back to the 1. Then, instead of staying on the C major chord, we went to the. Then now we are going to play the A major 7. A major 7 as a passing chord to the D minor chord. So it's let me just show you what I'm doing. First, D minor chord, G major, C major chord, A minor, D minor chord, So hope you learned something from it. If you have any questions, you can drop it in your comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe.